we're going to cover in this course is a number of more advanced things around SharePoint Online. The first of those is the structure. So exactly how do site collections work? What's a site? What's a subsite? How do they all fit together is something this course will certainly cover and give you more information. We'll also look at doing some basic branding. So this is branding without the need to have any coding. This is basically all available through the browser, so you can change the look and the feel and again get more engagement thanks to adding company logos and images and coloring when it comes to a SharePoint site. We'll also look at the advanced document management options, so things like check-in, check-out, those sort of things are working in a more advanced way with documents, which SharePoint supports and helps a lot of customers solve problems when it comes to managing documents in this collaboration environment. We'll also then turn to looking at managing lists in a more advanced way. So again, putting it basically into a mode where we can work with a list like a spreadsheet, so we can make quick edits across the full range of cells and update it. So again, a real easy way to work with that. We'll also look at things like site columns and a number of additional features that provide more advanced functionality around lists. We'll then turn to talking about views. So a view is simply something that is included with a library, whether it be a list or a document library, that allows you to display the data in a different manner. So again, think of the data as having a single bucket of information. Using a view, we can apply a filter or a different way of displaying that. So we can change the columns that are displayed, we can change the sorting, we can change the filtering, we can do all sorts of things. So views give us the ability to look at our data in a different way, even though it is from the same source. We'll then consider how to template, so how to take and replicate things that we have created already in SharePoint Online. So we'll look at templating things like libraries and lists so that they can then be replicated to other locations, whether in the same site or in another subsite. We'll also then look at how do you template a whole site or a subsite so that you can then take that and then apply that again as the starting point for a new structure. So we'll cover how to create that and also how to take the structure, but also how to take not only the structure but also the data that may be included in a site or in a list. We'll then look at what's known as site pages. So these are effectively raw HTML pages that you can put any sort of coding on, so you can put your HTML code on, but we can also embed standard SharePoint widgets into that and create dashboards and display information in any way we want. So site pages allow us to create custom web pages that will be displayed throughout our SharePoint Online. So we'll show you how to edit those, update those, and make changes there. Of course, we'll also show you how that SharePoint Online can be used to manage relations between lists. So, for example, you may have the need to look up information in a customer list for a product list. So we'll dive into how you can link two of these components together in SharePoint so it reduces the duplication, means information is in one location, and allows you to use SharePoint in a way like a relational database. So again, makes information management much easier because again there's a single point of reference for all the common information you may have in SharePoint Online. And of course, the course won't be restricted just to these topics. There'll be a number of additional advanced options through all the lessons that are available to give you a more comprehensive understanding of what is possible with SharePoint Online and allow you to go out and use those skills to build solutions and improve the opportunity for customers to really solve their problems using the tool that is SharePoint Online.